With Alec Baldwin's trial still to go this week, the state has already spent more than $700,000 bringing the various players to justice at this point. So shortly after the shooting, first Assistant Director David Halls took a plea deal.
And then earlier this year, Rust-Set armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed was convicted, of course, of involuntary manslaughter. She's now serving 18 months in prison. As for investigator Brittany Costello found out, her trial may set the stage for what's to come now.
Oh my God.
Rust movie set armorer.
Are they okay?
Hannah Gutierrez-Reed was plucked from the chaos at Bonanza Creek Ranch.
Since you're the armorer, they're going to want to talk to you more than anybody, okay?
She was responsible for all set firearms, including props, and this very real revolver.
I check the guns and I load the guns and I hand the guns off to the actor.
On October 21st, 2021, she says she loaded Alec Baldwin's six-shooter with what she believed to be dummy rounds, bullets like these, something made to look real, but without gunpowder.
I opened the gun up, and one of the dummies somehow had been discharged.
It was no dummy. Investigators found several live bullets on set. Prosecutors pointed to the silver primer. They say live ammo was mixed and mingled among purely cosmetic dummies and powder-filled blanks.
This case is about constant, never-ending safety failures that resulted in the death of a human being and nearly killed another.
In February, Santa Fe jurors convicted Gutierrez-Reed of involuntary manslaughter. Special prosecutor Carrie Morrissey says Gutierrez-Reed did not follow industry safety protocols, pointing to two other incidents in the days before the deadly shooting. Showing jurors behind-the-scenes video of actors who she says regularly mishandled their weapons, including actor Alec Baldwin.
One more. I forgot to recall stuff. Right away. Let's reload. Here we go.
Gutierrez-Reed's attorney, Jason Bowles, used that same clip to show jurors the demands and pressure from A-list actor and film producer Alec Baldwin.
I wasn't in there, and they weren't supposed to be even pulling the hammer back.
He blamed Rust Productions for cutting corners. Gutierrez was a part-time armorer.
They should have had more than one armor on this movie.
Okay, and that's because, in your opinion, this was a gun-heavy set, is that right?
Yes.
Defense attorneys use Gutierrez-Reed's industry legend of a stepfather, Thel Reed, to bolster her resume, but they argue she was inexperienced and overwhelmed.
Hannah is a scapegoat for all the management failures. They do hope she gets convicted, so they're all exonerated.
Brittany Costello, KOB4.
Well, now Gutierrez-Reed's attorney is appealing. In the meantime, she's facing another charge, that one for bringing a gun to a local bar.
Yeah, that's another charge, man. That's just
Yeah, but, I mean, it was a fake gun, so, I mean, you took it in to show, what, the bartender or something?
No, I don't know. I don't want to talk about it on here.
It appears she has somewhat learned her lesson. Those prison and jail calls, they are recorded. In the months following her conviction, though, she's been in trouble for running her mouth, essentially, while on the inside, even expressing her frustration over being asked to testify in Baldwin's trial.
That's wild that they didn't even try to subpoena him for mine.
Yeah.
Money talk.
Yeah.
And again, we have local defense attorney and KOB4 legal analyst Ahmad Assad joining us. So do you see Gutierrez-Reed's conviction impacting Baldwin's trial at all?
I think if properly postured by the defense, it could aid Mr. Baldwin in the sense that the one that was responsible, that had the duties necessarily directly necessary to ensure the safety of everybody on that set was convicted. That means that people that were responsible have been convicted,
right, and
the prosecution's being over-aggressive in terms of bringing a case against Mr. Baldwin.
So jury selection is scheduled to start tomorrow. Hannah Gutierrez-Reed wasn't a household name.
That's correct.
Alec Baldwin is. So do you think it could be more difficult to seat a jury?
I think that it's going to be, yes, it's definitely more challenging with respect to his reputation and him in the status that he is. I think that it's going to be really difficult to have a jury that hasn't made up its mind with respect to the information in the case. But I think one can be seated ultimately.
Okay. We were talking a little bit earlier. Judge Mary Marlowe Sommer made a pretty big decision today, ruling no evidence regarding Baldwin's role as an executive producer can come into the trial. And we heard from Santa Fe County DA Mary Carmack Altwies a little earlier. She had a comment where he was a producer. He should have known about the safety issues or protocols on set. With that role being off the table now, what does that do to this case?
It damages the state's case. I think that there was a lot of referencing through the past few months, a couple of years actually, with regards to this enhanced duty that the state tried to paint about Mr. Baldwin. The reality is, we don't know how effective it really was or how meaningful it was. His name as a co-producer, as a producer. Those are things that are done routinely. They don't mean much if there isn't the duties that attach. But going to the order by the court and the decision to exclude that information, I think cuts at the state's eagerness to parallel, if you will, the duties of Mr. Baldwin from an actor and heighten that up to more responsibility as a producer to engage in this conversation of safety and the control that Mr. Baldwin had.
Well, and he was not the only executive producer on this project. There were so many others. Now, mind you, they had different responsibilities, but the fact no other producers were charged.
That's correct. That's a very good point. So I think that to me, it's a hurtful decision against the state's, if you will, theory or additional theory, as we saw in more recent efforts to introduce that role.
All right, Ahmad Assad, always a pleasure to have you on.
Likewise.
We'll love to have you back as we go through this trial together.
Thanks so much.